up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? Today I'm going to be doing a ginger red coffin unboxing for you guys. So I'm really excited to show you guys what is inside. Like always, Ginger Red Coffin did not send me this box. I paid for this box with my very own money. I did open it already, like always, but everything is still in the box. Kind of looking like Harry Potter. Like a female version of Harry Potter. The sticker says, "Thank you for your support." How cute. Like always, there is some cards. It says Ginger Red Coffin and has everything in the inside of the box on there. The theme for this box is Vamp Life. How the back of the card, there's just this little poem thing, which I never read anyways. First thing that was in the box was this. Now, we actually got this in the Healthy Ghoul box, but people noticed that there was a mistake in it, so they sent it again, but it was corrected. They sent us some more Pac-Man Ghost little sticker water bottle thing. It goes on your water bottle if you got it. As you can see, it's already been opened by me. Inside we have this. It's like a cute little quote on it. You can read it if you want to. The thing in the box is this. This is really, really cute. I love the little coffin, little dangly thing. I think I'm gonna put this on my wall over there. Kind of have like a little wall collage going on over there. So I think this would be perfect for over there. It's Carpe Octum. That's what it says, and a cute little bat. It's from Ginger Red Coffin. It's like a little coffee cup, pop cup, whatever you want. And it just opens and closes. It says straight out of the coffin. How cute. Have to be clean, but that's okay. And it just like comes off like this. Pretty cute. I don't have anything like this, so this is an Airhead cool. Cherry. I love Airheads. They're my favorite. I love Laffy Taffy candy. It's my favorite. And we have a little pin. It's Vamp Life by Ginger Red Coffin. It's really cute. I can put it up on my pin board or my wallet, my purse, my car, whatever I want to do with it. Dagger. Look how cute this is. And there's like a little black diamond right there. And you can like put it necklace on it. It's pretty cool. With the little necklace too. We have our little stone. Oh, you know what I just forgot to do? I forgot to put this on my head. What is going on? I mine slowly. Okay, so we got our stone, which I'm really excited about. I love getting stones and crystals. And it came in a red bag. This is just what it looks like. So, it's pretty cool. This is a red phantom quartz. Last thing is this. It's a cute little red bag. This is really, really cool. I really liked this. It's like a little dagger on the red candle holder. It's been called a dagger, but that's just what I call it. And it came with like a little black candle too, which is really cool that it came with that. So just goes like inside here, but it doesn't smell like anything. It's just like a black candle, which is cool. Comes in there, just plops in there, which is awesome because this would definitely match my decor. So I'm happy with that. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.